What's going on, you guys? Quick, well, we'll see how long this takes to actually install video today for y'all. Today what we're going to be installing is on the Mustang. So it is going to be the valance aero kit. Valance, I believe that's the proper way to say it. So let me move you guys around here. All right. Basically, all it is we're taking the rear and we're gonna be adding this to fit pretty much like that on both sides. Now, I already got the kit open. Obviously, it's gonna come with the left and the right side. It's gonna come with your hardware, some stickers, and the installation guide will be online. Now, the first thing that you guys are going to want to do is make sure, because you will be using 3M tape with this, so go ahead and wipe down, actually it's right here, and then go ahead and wipe down just basically the sides under here and whatnot with some isopropyl alcohol, and then let's go ahead and get started on this. Alright, so the first step is we're going to take your supplied 3M tape that they give you, and you will go ahead and cut that in half. Now, once you got that cut in half, go ahead. I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm just gonna, that's probably fine. Right there, because I'm also holding up this light for you guys real quick. Just make sure you go ahead, wipe the inside of this down with the alcohol. Make sure this gets real clean, because you're going to be putting the 3M tape between these two holes right here. Just like that, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. Alright, so we're going to start with the left. Now I already wiped this entire piece down as well. So the nice thing about these is they are contoured to the car pretty well. So you could just, without touching the middle here, we're going to kind of guess where everything lines up. Just like that. Looks good. And make sure you put some decent pressure right along the bottom here to make sure that 3M sticks. That looks good. Alright, so next, after you peel off the 3M, go ahead and stick this up here. You'll see the two holes right here and right here. So you're going to take a 1/4 inch drill bit, 1/4 drill bit, and you're going to go ahead and drill two holes. You want to make sure you're holding this piece up tightly to the diffuser, and make sure you drill straight. Just like that. Okay, so once you get the holes drilled right here, the kit comes with 2 of these metal platings that are threaded, along with 4 of these bolts, and then the rest are going to be self-tapping. I know it's hard to see, it's dark in here, I'm sorry, I'm trying to get as best lighting as I can, but I don't have the best of lighting. So 4 bolts, and the rest are self-tapping screws. Obviously, you should be able to tell the difference apart. Now, when going and placing these, and I'll give you as best light here as I can, I'm going to move this around. So, you'll see on this side, right here, you could fit up in here into this diffuser part. This is where the bracket, the metal bracket, is going to be placed inside here. as you put the screws through the holes. Just so no one's confused. Okay. All right, so got the 2 screws installed in the brackets. Now you're gonna see 1, 2 dimples there, plus a third one in here. And you're gonna take a 1/8 drill bit and go ahead and drill your holes there. These are gonna be with the self-tapping screws. So I'm gonna hold this piece up to the diffuser. They already have pre-dimpled holes, so just go ahead. Go with it. Now for the self-tapping ones, that's going to be a 7mm. Now obviously these aren't going to thread right in easily because they are self-tapping. So you're going to have to work it just a little bit. Whoops, I am completely sorry about that. Now just remember, with all these, they don't have to be super tight. So just make sure they're snug. Perfect. We are good to go there. And then you could see the third one will be inside here. And that's where we're going to drill and tap our third screw. Perfect. And that is the installation of this piece. It is on there. It is good to go. Now we just mimic the same exact thing on the opposite side of whatever side you did not do, and you'll be good to go. So since I showed you this one, I'm not going to show you that one, but I will show you the end product. So for you guys, this will take a second. For me, it'll take a few minutes. All right, you guys. So like I was saying, you just repeat the same exact process on the other side, and this is the end result. Also, I do have the car up on the jacks, as you can see, because, sorry about the mess in the garage, because your boy got a flat. So I just went ahead and ordered new tires, 404 wheels, just so I could be on some fresh meat, know exactly how the wheel condition is, and yeah, I mean, why not? So that way I know whatever happens on me. These wheels were used previously. They could have lasted a little bit longer. I mean, they weren't in bad shape, but we're just going to replace them anyways. Better to be safe than sorry, right? So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little install video. Shouldn't be too long of a video. Appreciate everyone that watches. Love you all. Have a good night. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Peace.